Hey guys, just making a little quick video on my business I'm starting. It's called Forest Trekkie Bike Maintenance. There's the number, Insta, Twitter, and Facebook. If you want to look at that, I'll just hold it right here. Alright, cool. Alright, basically what I got in the shed. Got my waterproof bag, good for actually like going everywhere with things on my bike and not getting my electronics wet and whatnot. Notepad. Got a bike pump, and it's a foot pump. I think it costs around like $17 to $20 at Walmart. Got some ratcheting set. It's actually good for handyman services too. If I got mean green degreaser, good for bike chain and taking all the grease off. There's the scrubber, scrubs the bike off with all the grease and grime. Then I got the car wash wax. Instead of using like Dawn dish. Yeah, this blaster stuff, it's like WD-40, so it'll break out bolts and nuts if rusted on. Chain lube, of course. Crystal clear bike grease, and that's for bearings mainly. Got super glue, easy lube, easy clean for the bike chain. And then I bought the grunge brush. It works really good with the chain. Basically you insert it like right here, the chain, and just go 20 revolutions. Then I got this brush at the bottom that's for the cassette. Knife, well, you never know, it might need a knife for something like zip ties and stuff like that. Hammer. This is a really good hammer. I'm just borrowing it right now. It's pretty good. Like if I need to get off a lower bracket bearing or lower bracket. I mean, that's an example. Got a 14 millimeter ratchet, and then right here is the 48 piece tool set, and this basically fixes any bike out there really, and it only costs about, I think, $35 on Amazon with the shipping and everything. But here's the description on the actual 48 parts tool set. But yeah, so pretty much if I do travel, I'm gonna actually bring all this equipment, and I can actually store it just in one bag. So yep, that's pretty much how I'm gonna make money. Maybe here or on the road, and that's my business again. Alright guys, later.